Today we will study about means of transport. People use different types of vehicles to travel from one place to another. These different types of vehicles used for traveling from the different means of transport. Means of transport are also needed to carry goods from one place to another. The means of transport can be characterized into three types of depending upon the place where they move. First is land transport, second water transport, third air transport. So let's study first about land transport. Means of land transport move either on roads or on tracks. Those which move on roads are called vehicles. Vehicles with engines are known as motor vehicles. Buses, cars, trucks, scooter and auto rickshaws are some examples. Most of them run on petrol, diesel or gas. Some run on electricity also. Land transport can further be characterized into two types: road transport and railways. The network of roads that connect different states and parts of the country from the road transport. Motor vehicles need roads. They also cost a lot of money. Another means of transport that is the fastest means of road transport is railways. These vehicles are long, having many compartments and are known as trains. Trains are also the cheapest means of transport. Trains carry people, goods, parcels and letters over long distance. Those which carry only goods such as coal, grains and oil are called goods trains. Trains run very fast on land on the tracks made of metal. These tracks are called railway tracks. Now let's talk about metros. In India, metro trains run in metropolitan cities such as Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai and Bangalore. A metro train may run underground or over the bridges. In foreign countries like New York, Paris, London, Tokyo, etc. have such metros. In London, the metro is called the Underground or the Tube. In New York and other American cities, it is called the subway. A tram looks a bit like a train and moves on tracks, but these tracks are laid on roads. Tram run on electricity. Trams of Kolkata is the unique mode of public transport which is existing in India. Now we will study about water transport. The vehicles that sail on water bodies are called water transport. Ships, boats and ferry are means of water transport. Ships and ferry carry passengers and goods to different places through the sea routes. Boats are used to cross rivers and lakes. Water transport is the major source of trade within the countries through coastal routes. Water transport is also quite cheap. It is having large capacity to carry goods, and it is also slow means of transport. Now let's study about air transport. Transport that operates in air is called air transport, which includes aeroplanes and helicopters that carry goods and passengers from one place to another. Aeroplanes and helicopters travel by air and are the fastest means of transport. They are the most expensive means. It also saves time. Aeroplanes can carry many people and goods over long distances. Helicopters carry a few people only and travel shorter distances. A plane needs a long runway to take off and land. When we need to fly to a place that does not have a runway, we use helicopters. Helicopters can move straight up or down, so they do not need runways to take off and land. They can stay at one spot in the air and even fly backwards. Different means of transport has made traveling easier and comfortable.